This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 3210BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, air conditioning, CO detector, spare tire kit, TV, water heater, external shower, LP detector, slideout, oven, refrigerator, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 3210BH is 8,394 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.